I'm Kendra from Redgate. I want to show you a very cool new feature that has made its way into SQL Change Automation's plugin for Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I'm going to open up a SQL Change Automation project here, and the database associated with this project, I have made a lot of changes to the database that have not yet been imported into version control. You'll see that there's nearly 10,000 changes that I've made in this database, and I have used a terrible naming convention here. Now, first you'll notice that by default, these objects are checked off. There is a really cool feature where it will remember if we uncheck these items. So I can uncheck them all. And even if I close the plugin, even if I close Management Studio, it will remember that I have unchecked those. So let's say I only want to import objects that have the word hi in them. There are 3 results. They are all new tables there. So I actually just want 2 of them. For each of them, I can click on the row and view the object definition. Now, these are new, but if they existed in source control already, I could see the version in source and the differences in that case. So I have currently selected 2 changes. What happens if I change the filter? All right, well, let's say I actually want something with the object name 203 in it. Notice that my 2 changes are still selected. It has remembered that, even though I've changed the filter entirely. So I'm going to check off 2 different items from this filter. I could change this once again if I wanted to. I can clear it out if I want to see everything, or I can make it very, very specific if I want. Let's check off a 5th, and then we can go ahead and click Generate Migrations to automatically create scripts to either add new objects or to modify objects depending on what's already in version control. I have the programmable objects feature on. So for the stored procedures that I checked off, it created 3 programmable objects. It also created a migration script for the tables that I imported, and it updated the offline schema model for me. So like always, I can go to the Migrations tab. I can review and edit migration scripts and my programmable objects if need be. I can verify. I can use the version control tab to change my branch and to check in just like normal. Thanks for joining me to check out this change, and I hope this will be useful to you. Now, even if you don't have 10,000 changes to import, I think that this can be useful if you've got maybe 10 or 15 changes to a database. Sometimes it just helps you find what you're looking for more quickly if you only want to import selected objects into version control. Bye, folks.